Welcome to our channel. This video is part of a series based on the CITB book called Health, Safety and Environment Test for Operatives and Specialists. We guarantee that watching these videos is all you need to do to prepare for your final test. In each video, we will briefly cover a section's key points and then ask questions directly from the CITB book. This video focuses on Section A04, Personal Protective Equipment. To make it easy to move through the video series, you will find a link in the top right corner. The actual CSCS test usually takes about 45 minutes, and you need to answer at least 45 out of 50 questions correctly to pass. Before we dive in, please support us by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. We appreciate it. Let us learn together.
Employers should provide workers with personal protective equipment, PPE, and the means to maintain it correctly, free of charge. Wearing personal PPE will help to protect workers from physical injury or ill health. Size and fit should be considered in the selection of suitable PPE. Stop work immediately and replace PPE if it gets damaged.
When must your employer provide you with personal protective equipment, PPE? Twice a year. If you pay for it. If it is in the contract. If you need to be protected.
If you have to work outdoors in bad weather, why should your employer supply you with waterproof clothing? To keep you warm and dry so you take fewer breaks. To protect you from the weather, which will reduce trips and falls. To keep you warm and dry so you are less likely to catch Weil's disease, leptospirosis. To protect you from the weather, as you are less likely to get muscle strains if you are warm and dry. Which of the following statements about personal protective equipment, PPE, is not true? You must use it as instructed. You must pay for any damage or loss. You must store it correctly when you're not using it. You must report any damage or loss to your supervisor. Which of the following statements about wearing a safety helmet in hot weather is true? You can modify it to keep your head cool. You must wear it at all times and in the right way. You must take it off during the hottest part of the day. You can wear it back to front if it is more comfortable that way.
What should you wear if there is a risk of materials flying into your eyes? Tinted welding goggles. Laser safety glasses. Chemical-rated goggles. Impact-rated goggles.
When using a grinder or cut-off saw, what type of eye protection should be worn? Impact-rated goggles or full face shield? Light eye protection, safety glasses. Reading glasses or sunglasses? Welding goggles. When should you wear safety footwear on site? All the time. Only when working inside. Until the site starts to look finished. Only when working at ground level.
When is the only time that you do not need to wear head protection on site? If you are self-employed. If you are working alone. If you are in a safe area, like the site office. If you are working in hot weather.
When you start a new task, how will you know if you need any extra personal protective equipment, PPE? You will always need it. By looking at the risk assessment. By looking at the company web page. By looking at your employer's health and safety policy. What is the main risk to this worker wearing only these items of personal protective equipment, PPE? Dermatitis to skin. Damage to hearing. Eye injuries. Breathing in harmful dust. When selecting appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, what is the most important factor to be taken into account? The type of hazard. Can it be recycled? The cost of the equipment. How long it will last. What additional measures can be worn under a hard hat in cold weather? A baseball cap, a jumper with a detachable hood, a woolly hat, a manufacturer's attachment. What will safety footwear with a protective midsole protect you from? Spillages which may burn the sole of your foot, blisters which could occur in warm, wet conditions, twisting your ankle as they have better grip than regular shoes, nails or sharp objects which could puncture the sole of your foot. Which condition could be prevented if the correct gloves are worn while handling a hazardous substance? Arthritis, skin disease, vibration white finger, Raynaud's syndrome. Will all types of glove protect your hands against chemicals? Yes, all gloves are made to the same standard. Only if you cover the gloves with barrier cream. Only if you put barrier cream on your hands first. No, different gloves protect against different types of hazard. Which item of personal protective equipment, PPE, is helping to protect the worker from dermatitis? Good quality personal protective equipment, PPE, will be marked with which letter or letters? CE, C, HSE, R. How should a safety helmet be worn to get maximum protection from it? Back to front, pushed back on your head, square on your head, pulled forward. What should you do if your disposable foam earplugs keep falling out? Throw them away and work without them. Put rolled up tissue paper in each ear instead. Put 2 earplugs in each ear so that they stay in place. Stop work until you are shown how to fit them properly. If you need to wear a full body harness and have not used one before, what should you do? Try to work it out for yourself. Ask for expert advice and training. Read the manufacturer's instruction book. Ask someone wearing a harness to show you what to do. Which of the following figures is wearing the correct personal protective equipment, PPE? Where on the body would a worker wear respiratory protective equipment, RPE? Arm, leg, face, body.
Congratulations! You are a step closer to success. Keep learning until you reach your goal. You can find a link in the top right corner to go to the next video.